Arguably one of the best real estate developers in Kenya. Welcome to Unity Homes inside Tatu City. We are inside Tatu City, one of the most iconic cities, the self-sustaining city. As you can see behind me, this is Unity Homes, one of the real estates. And all these apartments that you see here belongs to Unity Homes. This is Unity Homes East or Unit East, and this other side is Unit West. So the apartments in the Unit West are already taken. They are fully occupied, but unit in this Unit East side, it's 80% taken. So the remaining 20% is available. So you guys, if you want to buy a 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, 3-bedroom, this is the time. As you can see how modern this place is. See the road, the walkways or the pedestrian way. As you can see, people living already. This is a mini supermarket that has everything. It supplies food stuff, fresh fruits, drinks, anything you want. So once you get in here or you live here, you don't have to worry where to throw your socket, because all these things are available inside. So the units are available in Unit East, from 1-bedroom to 3-bedroom. So you guys, if you want to invest, you want to buy a home and be one of the communities inside Tatu City, this is the time. Book and buy. Please, thank you very much, and continue watching. The available units are 1-bedroom, 2-bedroom, and 3-bedroom. For 1-bedroom, the starting price is 5.7 million for a cash buyer, while with 24-month payment plan, the price is 7.1 million. For 2-bedroom, the starting price is 9.5 million for a cash buyer, while with 24-month payment plan, the starting price is 11.9 million. That is Kenya shillings. For 3-bedroom, starting price is 19 million for a cash buyer, while with 24-month payment plan, the starting price is 23.8 million. Let me take you inside one of the units, and this is a 2-bedroom unit. Yes, and it's beautiful, with a very beautiful window overlooking the outside or the main gate and the parking. I like the white color in the wall. Yes, it brings some bit of brightness inside the house. Yes, with this amazing shelf there, and the media area, a very good classy floor, a wooden floor. Yes, a very beautiful wooden floor, and some black tiles that really brings some class in the kitchen area. That is the bar area, or you can call it a small dining. yes, with some stools. Yes, this another section. This is the cooker area and the sink. Yes, the kitchen is quite manageable. Yes, I like that. And this is us. The smoke absorber. Yes, and it's a very beautiful cabinetry. A very beautiful cabinetry, and a quality door, a vacuum door, where you just need to you press it and it opens. Yes, I like the tiling in the wall inside the kitchen. Yes, the white, black and gray, and also the marble. Yes, it really looks very clean. Yes, and that is what I like about the engineers who did the interior design. Yes, here you are overlooking the laundry area. Just from the kitchen, this is the laundry area overlooking the outside. That is the window to the back side of the house. Yes, you can see some taps. You can see some taps there. Yes, so this is the laundry area, and you can see the neighborhood and clothing lines. This is quite beautiful, very beautiful, very beautiful. Now let's get to the bedrooms, and here you come to the common washroom. This is a common washroom, very beautiful. It looks very beautiful and clean. The sink basin and a very quality mirror. That is the sink basin. That is the toilet. Yes, it has not been used. It has never been used because this is a very new house. So if you buy, you become the first owner or the first user. So all this is waiting for you. From the common washroom. From the common washroom, let me take you to bedroom number 1. This is bedroom number 1, and this house has a very beautiful door, white with a string of silver. Yes, that is the wardrobe. Yes, So you can make this kids bedroom or even guest bedroom. You can see that is the double decker, yes, with some stairs in the bed. It's quite manageable. For someone who is starting life, or someone who has young family, or someone who wants to venture into business that is like Airbnb. This can be a very good unit for you. Yes, and not only Airbnb, even living here is a class on its own, because it is inside Tatu City. So that is bedroom number 1. From bedroom number 1, we take you to the master, and here is the bathroom or the washroom, the quality sink basin. It is the quality sink basin, the marble, the dark marble really brings in some class. And a very good classic mirror. Yes, that is the shower area. You see the wall, the tiling in the wall, very unique. That is what I like about this house. And here you're overlooking the master. This is the master bedroom. Very classy, very good space. So this is a 2-bedroom, and this one goes for 9.5 million cash buyer. You're buying in cash. You will need to have 9.5 Kenya shillings. That is 9.5 million Kenya shillings. And if you want to pay on installment, that is 24 months or 2 years, you will pay 11.9 million Kenya shillings. It's a very good unit. I can recommend it to anyone. Yes.